Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you can't tell, in today's video we are going to be working outside. It seems like a perfect day because it's only in the 90s, it's not over 100, right? So there are a few things that I want to do out here. I want to start decorating for fall even though it's still really hot. But before I can do that, I want to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Wuuk. So Wuuk is a home security system that is perfect for all of my fellow DIYers. You can build your own system, install it yourself. So Wuuk sent over their Outdoor Cam Pro Kit and their Smart Doorbell Pro. So it comes with a base station that you are going to set up and connect to your router that's going to make your Wi-Fi signal much stronger as it communicates with the different parts of the system. And you can pair up to 8 wireless doorbells and cameras with that base station. Also, there is no subscription required. With the base station, you get 32 gigs of storage without having to subscribe, pay a fee, and that's really convenient. So let's talk about the cameras. First of all, these can be used inside or outside. They are waterproof. So I'm going to mount mine outside. Wuuk recommends that you mount them 7 to 10 feet above the ground for optimal performance. So that is what I'm going to do. So the cameras have a detailed 2K resolution and they're super easy to install. 5-minute install and setup as soon as you figure out where you want to put them. And they also have real-time response and two-way audio and time-coded events playback. Another feature that I really like is the full color night vision, so you can see everything really clearly at night. Also, they have motion and human detection, so you'll be able to tell what exactly is on the camera. And they come with customized detection zones that you can set up however you want. They are battery powered, which means you don't have to have wiring run already, and each camera can last up to 180 days per charge. Now let's talk about the Doorbell Pro. So this is super easy to install, again 5 minutes or less. It comes with adhesive on the back, so you don't even have to screw it in if you don't want to. I chose to screw my base plate in. This can be hardwired or battery operated. So the doorbell provides a head-to-toe view in 2K HDR, and just like the cameras, the doorbell has real-time response and two-way audio, time-coded events playback. It also has high contrast, night vision, motion and human detection, and customized detection zones, and an anti-theft alarm. So for all of you DIYers out there like me who want to protect your home but want to customize their security system to their own space and do it themselves, make sure that you guys go check out Wuuk. I will leave the link down in the description. I love the way a white brick house looks, but it does require a little bit of maintenance. I definitely need to hose it down, do some pressure washing, just do some overall cleaning of this entire area. Specifically under here, just where bugs and things accumulate, we're gonna remove all of this kind of summer, spring decor and replace that. I want to do maybe something to these pavers right here that I've been considering for a while. Also, remember when I lime washed the front of the house and I said that I would do the sides later? I never did. You can see here, this is the new lime wash color. It's like a creamier white, and this is the old DIY lime wash. On the sides, it hasn't held up great. I don't know if that's because the sides got more sun than the front of the house, because the front of the house has all of these trees to help with that. So I just want to pressure wash. I'm not going to remove all of it, but just any part that's flaking or peeling, give this a good pressure wash, and then we're going to lime wash the rest of this to match this. Guys, this is my daughter's school right behind me. That's her running around the track. I've been threatening to embarrass her since she started school, and she wouldn't tell me what time she had PE, and I finally got her. I caught her out there running, and I didn't do anything too bad. I was just like, "Hey, Belle!" But I could tell she was embarrassed, and my whole day is made. So for this whole area here, I'm just going to use the hose, not the pressure washer, because all of this has already been lime washed for the second time and I don't want to pressure wash it, but I want to get all of the dirt and bugs and stuff, whatever's on there, off. So I'm going to remove all of this stuff and then just give all of this a good cleaning. If you've been following my channel for a while, you've seen me do this whole process multiple times. So I'm just wetting the brick, not completely saturating it, but making sure that it is a good amount of wet because that makes the lime wash easier to spread. And the lime wash does look very translucent as it goes on. You can mix it in different ratios. I have it mixed here kind of a 2-to-1, 2 parts lime wash to 1 part water, which is a thicker ratio. So I am wetting it and then applying it, and as it dries it will become a lot more opaque. I'm about to show you that here where I am wetting down the brick and then adding the lime wash, and then I just left the camera recording for probably about 15 minutes just so you could see how the lime wash gets more opaque as it dries. So if you're doing this process and you're like kind of panicking because it looks really see-through, don't worry, it will get better. Okay, that is done. The new lime wash over the old DIY version. I still might add, I probably will add a second coat just over the spots that I got carried away pressure washing. Like you might be able to see a difference between right there and right here. It's just a little bit different, so I think just another light coat over the top of it will make it look completely seamless with this spot over here. But I'll do that off camera because I think you guys have seen me lime wash this house enough. Okay, I have one more little project that I want to do before we decorate. I have never loved the concrete pavers in front of my house. I feel like they look a little stark, especially since I lime washed the house to be white. I want to give them some warmth, so I am using wood stain. Now, I have no idea if this is going to work. I tested it on an extra one that I had. I just added some wood stain because concrete is super porous, so it just soaked it right up. I don't know how long it's gonna last. This doesn't get a lot of direct sun, so I'm hoping that will help it to not fade, but I do like the warmth that it gives the stone versus this concrete, so we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, the wood stain seems to be working really well. The concrete is just like sucking it up and it's adding a lot of warmth. What do you guys think? Do you like the browner wood stain one better, or do you like the original plain concrete one? Okay, the pavers are all done. I also gave the bushes a little trim and added a little bit of mulch back just so it looks nice and refreshed. And now we can move on to this front porch area right here. I didn't want to go ahead and decorate that because I didn't want to get it all a mess again, if like mulch and stain and everything. So it's finally time to do the pretty part. Remember a couple weeks back when we went shopping for all of the fall decor? I am finally able to use it now outside. The wreath, the rug underneath came from Target. Doormat actually came from Kirkland's. And I will link everything that I'm using as much as I can down below in the description. These flowers came from Hobby Lobby, and the pumpkins, I had most of them already. I wish I could use like real pumpkins, but it is still consistently over 100 degrees where I am here in Texas, and they just would not last long at all. So this is how everything turned out. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little outdoor refresh, fall decorate with me, and make sure that you're subscribed so you won't miss all of the projects that I've got coming up. I'll see you guys then. Bye!